Welcome back to our channel CUTETURTLE Kidz TV. Today we learn 1 to 10 number with the help of green apple and red apple. Let's start. 1. 1 for 1 apple. This is red apple. 2. 2 apple. 1, 2. 1 green apple, 1 red apple, total 2 apple. 3. 1, 2 and 3. You can see 2 red apple and 1 green apple, total 3 apple. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 green apple, 2 red apple, total 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see in the 2 green apple, 1, 2, 3 red apple. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 apple. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see 2 green apple and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red apple. Total 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 apple. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, total 3 green apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 red apple. 4 plus 3 equal to 7 apple. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 red apple. 1, 2, 3, 3 green apple. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see 3 row and 3 apple in each row. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 red apple. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 red apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 green apple. The total 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 apple. So today we close here. See you in the next video. Till then, tata. Bye bye.